right?
It will depend on what Kenyans will decide on legislation. If they say we want to smoke in public, who am I? I'm not going to be a priest or those pastors who have been attacking me. Yet they know very well that the Bible and Israel, they depend on hemp. Even Jesus himself never outlawed it. He actually accepted to be anointed with oil from the so-called prostitute who had put it in her hair for purposes of purity and purification. And therefore, it's not evil or cynical. It's only the Kenyan pastors, a few Kenyan pastors and some religious leaders who don't condemn corruption. When money is taken to them and given to them, they clap like sycophants. But when it comes to revamping the economy of this country, when it comes to doing something that can make this country to stand on its feet, they actually become like lunatics, trying to say, oh, it is immoral, it's not right. But what is immoral with what is regulated? What is immoral with alcohol, where somebody drinks excessively when it's regulated? So religion, in general, has to demystify this thing of coming in to be like the holier than thou. Some of these religious leaders have let this country down, and I will put them on notice that this country is greater than them because God is greater than both the religion, religious leaders, and Kenyans in general.
Now to your manifestos. Are a section of it attainable? Like working